Hey YouTube, this is my 1985 LT250R. Me and my wife, we just picked this up probably a few days ago, and this is essentially about to be the first ride that I've done since I got it. The engine's warm right now. The only thing I can tell is I'm gonna have to clean the carburetor, because me and my wife, we had to hook it up to the back of her car and hook it up to the frame, and we had to bump start it. So the carb definitely needs some attention. But now she's starting up, obviously, because there's fuel all down in there. So I'm just gonna do a few little cruises and a few little pulls for you guys. And this has a full system FMF exhaust.